Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to show you how to clear browsing data on Opera Mini on Android. It's quick and easy, and it can help free up space and improve your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Opera Mini app on your Android device. Once it's open, tap the Opera Mini logo at the bottom to bring up the menu. Next, tap on Icon Settings. Now, scroll down, and then tap on Clear Browsing Data. You'll see the following options. Clear saved passwords. This deletes any saved login credentials you've saved in Opera Mini. Clear browsing history. This removes the list of websites you've visited. Clear cookies and site data. This clears cookies and data saved by websites, which can help with privacy or fix issues with loading websites. You can select any combination of these options depending on what you want to clear. Once done, tap OK to finalize the action. Now, your Opera Mini app is a bit cleaner and you've freed up some space on your device. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.